In this video, what we have to do is we have to write an onPostHandler for our update. So let me close the application and we will go to the page model for edit. And right here, we have to create an onPostHandler. So we will say public async task of action result, and we'll call this onPost. Now, whenever you are creating handler, we have a rule that you will start with the on keyword, and then you can use the get, post, or even your custom handlers. So that say you have an on delete, then you can also create such handlers to handle any of the actions from your page. We will see those custom handlers in a while, but right now I just want to show you the onPost. It is displaying an error because we are not returning anything right now. But inside any of the post, the first thing you should check is if the model state is valid. If the model state is valid, then what we want to do is we want to retrieve the book object from the database, and we have to update whatever new values the user has populated. So we can say variable book from DB is equal to, we'll go to the database, so _db.books.find, and we will find it based on the book.id. We'll add an ID here. And here what we can do is, since we are using action result, we will use the find async, and we will add an await keyword here. We can do the same right here. So we'll do the await and we'll do the find async. Now, if you are using this, you'll have to change this from void async and task, and the error goes away. You should always use await and async to be consistent throughout your project. So you will retrieve the book from the database, and you'll say book from db.name is equal to what we want to update the name. We want to update it to what user has entered, and what user has entered will be inside this book object which we have binded. So we'll say this is equal to book.name. We can copy this and paste it 2 more times, and after name we have ISBN and author. So we'll change it here as well. Now there are multiple ways of updating, and we will cover them as we progress with the course. But this is one of the ways to update any entry inside the database. Once you update the book from DB variable right here, you need to save the changes. So you'll say _db.save changes asynchronously, and then you just need to return, and we will say redirect to page. And where do we want to redirect to? We want to redirect to our index page. And what if the model state is not valid? We will return, and we will just redirect back to the page. So we'll redirect to the page, and we'll redirect to the same page if we do not provide any arguments here. So this looks good. Let's save this and see if we can edit our book. We'll go to our book, and here hit the edit. Rather than book 1, I'll make it 111 and hit the update. Great, you can see the book name has been saved. So with this, we complete our edit functionality. In the next video, let's work on delete.